Joining us now to explain why is Barclays Stefano Pascale. What do you mean as a renter, not a buyer on the rally, Stefano?
Yeah, hi, thanks for having me. So obviously we had one of the largest rallies in equities last week. It was a confluence of factors, including supply relief from treasuries and a cautious Fed, a Goldilocks report. And the market was clearly taken by surprise. And so if you actually take into account the volatility environment where we are in, equities actually staged the largest rally last week in the past 10 years outside the Pfizer vaccine news. And so obviously this not only speaks of the magnitude of the rally, but also the shock factor. And so obviously a big factor behind the rally last week was the fact that investors were taken by surprise. And so I think, looking forward, obviously fundamentals remain challenging. And there's a good chance that, this rally may continue just by nature of gravity. And, positions are still not particularly clean. And so if there's not a clear catalyst in the near term, investors may just want to choose to chase upside in the year end. And so, a better way to do so is now that VIX has come down and they stage a massive drop. It's quite cheap to actually rent upside rather than risk it and be long the market. So, we've been recommending investors to essentially take advantage of the drop in volatility to try to, position for further upside via options, which is a little bit safer than just buying the market.
Stefano, in terms of big lines of demarcation on the VIX, is 2022, is that still a historic marker?
Yeah, so basically the story behind the VIX, obviously we had the VIX above long-term average in 2022, and 2023 has been all a story about VIX kind of normalizing. And we kind of saw cross-asset volatility normalizing from elevated levels. There are another couple of points I wanted to remind. VIX actually sort of touched the lows of 13 thereabouts during the summer. And there are a couple of reasons why that's the case. Macro uncertainty has come down. Correlation has actually come down quite a bit. And that's pretty interesting because in the US, you have the Magnificent Seven basically driving the rally. And that kind of really brought down correlation. That's another reason why volatility has come down. Looking forward, we do think that the VIX maybe at 13 is too low. Sure. But it's probably, we're probably behind the peak. Basically, it's probably unlikely that we're going to revisit, the highs that we saw in 2022.
Interesting call, Stefano. Thank you very much for joining us from Barclays.
Thanks.
Stefano Pascale.